Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the battery in the key of your Scion TC. First of all, you have to locate this opening right here, and we'll be using this small flat screwdriver. So insert the screwdriver in here and simply twist it like this. And now we can open the cover. Carefully try it open, so likely what will happen, the buttons will fall out, but that's okay. The next part will be to remove this piece, and the battery is actually hidden underneath this plastic cover. You can use your nails to pry this cover open. It will come off, and underneath you will see the battery. This one is CR2016. Remove the battery, and right now we will install the new one. When you install the new battery, you have to make sure that it goes in here, gets fixed like that, and now the cover goes back on. Now we have to insert all our buttons. They have small plastic guides which will show you which way it should go in. First one goes in like this. This is the second one. And the last one goes in like that. And now we can reinstall this whole piece. And the cover goes back on. That's it. Our replacement is complete.